So if you've watched my channel for more than a couple of weeks, you know that I'm at least tentatively looking for a Farmall H. Definitely want to have one by spring for plowing and having fun and making videos. Well, I was driving down the road the other day and guess what I saw? A Farmall H sitting alongside the road. And I did stop and look at the H. And he did some work to it. It's got a new clutch, new fluids, new water pump. The worm gears and stuff for the steering been changed out, so that's tight. But it had a couple of other issues that I don't know. No, not major issues. Said there was a little bit of a governor issue after it ran for a while. It finally got right. Of course, that'd have to be fixed. And then I noticed the hydraulic lever. There was a piece on the side that was missing. No major fixes. But it had nice rear skins, over 50% tread on it. So front and rears were good. I'll show it to you here real quick. And, you know, whether I buy it or not, if you're interested and you're in Northwest Pennsylvania, hit me up and I'll give you the info. The guy happened to see my t-shirt, and the t-shirt said, Farmall Fanatic. And he says, well, I got some more tractors in here if you want to come take a look. And I said, well, yeah, absolutely, I want to come take a look. And take a look I did. So check this out. Down the road and got this H here for sale. And it's got a new clutch in it, new water pump and whatnot. He drove it, he fired it up and drove it around. Really runs good. Good solid H. I never buy paint, but mechanically it's sound. Oh, that's a nice machine back there.
Like a Super C.
Yeah. Got the fast hitch.
Yeah.
Wait, does it pick that finish mower right up, does it?
It will.
Really?
Just like it is.
That is amazing. And you don't even pop a wheelie or nothing, huh?
You're light in the front.
You're light in the front, yeah. Oh, that's a nice tractor there, man.
She starts just as good as the other one.
Oh yeah.
And I did all the foods in that too this last winter. Antifreeze.
I'll bet you never set this one out front.
I need a little more for it.
No, yeah.
I don't know. I had a 40 cow herd. I used to own the cows, and then the Amish guy came along. He bought the cows, and now he wants to sell them because he can't make much money with it either. We shared a milk check for a while.
Yeah.
But
got a couple B's here, huh?
yeah.
Got a narrow and a wide. It's funny. I was over at the Sparty Fair and they had a narrow and a wide A. And I was talking about briefly talking about how the B's and the A's and the B's and the John Deere were the opposite of the A's and the B's and the Farmalls. You know, the B had more horsepower in the Farmall, and the B and the John Deere had less horsepower than the John Deere A. So, yep. This was about 16 horse. The A runs probably 23 at the PTO tested. It's just weird how they did it backwards, you know. Now, what can you tell me about this tractor?
My father-in-law owned it down by Binghamton, and he died and willed it to us, I guess. My son kind of took to it. He put a bunch of money in it, and I did too.
Beautiful. I really like the old, the antique John Deeres. I really do. You know, it just amazed me, the Johnny Poppers, they could get the horsepower out of them things, man. Just unreal.
Well, it's a straight gear to the rear axle, so
yeah,
they don't have to go through any 90 degrees here.
Yep, so it's just, PTO in the back then?
Yeah, no 3-point hitch or anything.
Yep, just a Polar.
It did have
hydraulics.
It was on a spreader for a long time. That's pretty hard on. And he skidded logs a little bit with it and a dairy farm.
Now, what do this go horsepower-wise, a G?
Close to 40.
So it's about like a Farmall M equivalency?
Yep, probably.
Huh. Yeah, this is a gem, no doubt about it.